Do you know that you can reduce the risk of cancer if you include certain healthy foods in your diet? Some foods contain naturally occurring compounds that have anti-carcinogenic properties. Let us take a look at some of the best foods that can reduce the risk of cancer. The phytochemicals inside apples have many preventive effects against various types of cancer. These effects regulate cell cycle, proliferation, apoptosis, reactive oxygen species, and anti-inflammatory activities. Carrots contain several essential nutrients including vitamin K, vitamin A, and antioxidants. Carrots also contain high amounts of beta-carotene, which is responsible for its distinct orange color. Recent studies have found that beta-carotene plays a vital role in supporting the immune system and may prevent certain types of cancer. Berries such as blueberries, boysenberries, cherries, cranberries, pomegranates, and raspberries are relatively low in natural sugar. Berries have an abundance of blue-purple pigments called anthocyanins that reduce inflammation and protect the brain from oxidation. Berries also contain ellagic acid, which neutralizes carcinogens and has anti-tumor benefits. Blueberries contain pterostilbene, which is a powerful antioxidant that can reduce inflammation. Nuts have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compounds. Research shows that some type of nuts like Brazil nuts and walnuts may also be linked to a lower risk of cancer. Turmeric is a golden yellow-colored seasoning used in many Indian dishes. It contains polyphenol curcumin, which has anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and antioxidant properties, which helps to fight cancer. Curcumin appears to reduce tumor reproduction and induce tumor cell death. Cruciferous vegetables, such as broccoli, Brussels sprouts, bok choy, cabbage, cauliflower, collard greens, and kale, contain chemicals called glucosinolates that fight cancer in several ways. These chemicals include indole-3-carbinol, which reduces hormone-sensitive cancers. It has sulforaphane, which deactivates carcinogens, and fiber, which is a cancer preventive. Garlic has antibacterial, antifungal, and anti-inflammatory benefits, as well as cancer-fighting properties. Onions offer many of the same benefits, providing quercetin and sulfur-containing molecules that block some carcinogens and induce apoptosis. Oily fishes such as swordfish, salmon, and mackerel are rich sources of omega-3 fatty acids. Studies suggest eating fish and omega-3 fatty acids may protect against cancer. Spinach is loaded with vitamin K, antioxidants, and fiber. It contains carotenoids, which support eye health. It has folate, which aids DNA formation and repair. Several studies suggest that phytochemicals glycoglycerolipids and carotenoids fight cancer, especially of prostate, breast, and stomach. Spinach and arugula also contain plant nitrates that produce nitric oxide and nourish the endothelium, inner lining, of blood vessels. For related articles and updates, look at the description below. We hope you found this video useful. Please smash the like button and subscribe to keep connected. Thank you.